First thing I had to do to get this room started was to empty it out, get rid of all the trash, junk, take everything out and get it clean. The next thing I did was get my tools. I didn't have a whole heck of a lot. Razor blade, which I needed to cut the carpet up. A couple of screwdrivers. And, well, I was going to be there for a while, so I made sure I was fully stocked on cigarettes. This carpet is huge. There's no way I'm going to be able to take this out by myself. So what I'm going to do is cut it up and haul it out in pieces.
Now we're going to have to remove all this gray junk. It's held on by staples or glue, depending on what you got used. And since it's hard to cut, it's going to be a pain in the junk.
Well, it's 8:30 in the morning on Thursday, and still got a lot of work to do. I'm not close to where I should be at this time, but hopefully I get it done.
This is about my 1,000,000th trip to Home Depot, and holy crap.
It is time to start staining. I'm going to go ahead and apply a coat here and wipe it off in a minute. The next few pictures you're going to see are the pre-polyurethane coats. And this is what it looks like with polyurethane.
Well, after much deliberation and some careful thought, I decided to paint the radiator black. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, she actually said it. We are going down to IKEA, and Paulette is getting her birthday present from her dad, and it's going to be pretty neat.
Yeah.
Say hi again.
Hello.
Yep. So happy St. Patty's Day, and happy birthday!